Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to set up and manage Payees for transfer within the Barclays app. Now, setting up and managing Payees for transfer within the Barclays app, you have to typically follow this step. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your mobile banking app. You could go ahead and open up your Barclays application and then log into your account by entering your credential. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So once you're logged in, navigate to the payment section. This might be labeled as payments and transfer or something similar depending on the specific layout of the app, and look for an option to add a new payee or beneficiary. So this usually involves selecting the type of payment such as domestic or international and providing the necessary details about the recipient such as their name, account number and short code, all that. Then you can go ahead and verify the payee's information, and once you've entered the payee's detail and completed any required verification steps, you can save the payee's information as well. And after adding a payee, you should be able to manage a list of payee within the app. This include editing existing pay details, deleting payees, or setting up recurring payment as well. And with the payee setup, you can now initiate transfer or payment to them directly from within the app. So simply select the payee you wish to transfer money to and enter the amount and follow any additional prompt to confirm the transaction. And be mindful of the security measures as well, and then you'll have successfully set up and manage payee for transfer within the Barclays app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.